Welcome back, pure structure traders, for another market analysis for the London session and potentially into the US session. Today is July 13, 2021 here in Hawaii, and will be July 14, 2021 in London. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil, give you guys some levels that we're going to be looking at. So with that said, guys, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you. But let's go ahead and hop into these markets here. For S&P 500, we did have some nice support coming in right here at these 43.55.25s. I want to see if the market can actually pull back down to that level and maybe get a nice bounce. So we'll see if we can actually get down here and then find the support again and maybe make a nice move back to the upside if we hold this level of support. Underneath 43.55.25, my next level 43.44.50, and then below that my next support is going to be right around those 43.24.25s. Resistance right now for me comes in right around these 43.66.25s, and then above that next level 43.79 as a level of resistance. So we'll see what we actually do here. We could have a little micro level that finds the support kind of right in this area, right around these 58 to 59. So we'll see if the market actually gives us that opportunity to bounce from here, or if we come back down into the main level of 55 and see if we get that bounce from that area. Let's go ahead and move over to a smaller chart here on S&P for you guys, so you guys can see a closer view. So you can see 43.58.25 as the area of micro support, below major level 43.55.25 as a nice opportunity to maybe get down here and get a nice double bottom for the pop up. So couple opportunities that we could have, so we'll see if the market actually gives us this bounce from here to continue back up. So as of right now, we're at those 43.58 to 59 areas. So we want to see if we get that support to hold. If we do, we could see a continuation back up to 43.66.25 as the actual area of resistance, and then through that level up against those 43.79s on the way up. We could have a more closer level of resistance, which we'll probably mark off right here as an area of resistance, 43.72.25, that could potentially hold up as an area of resistance too. With that, let's go ahead and move over into gold. Give you guys some gold levels that we're looking at right now. We're looking for the gold to pull up into these 1815.9s. If we get to that level and we fail to get through it, that's going to be a decent fade opportunity to come right back down. So we really want to see the market come up to this area, fail, and then get a nice short opportunity. We may even pull right through this level. We may get it up through those 15s into these 18s and then fail from there. Probably look for maybe a nice double top at that top level for a pull down if we can't get through those 18.8. So those are going to be our fade opportunities. For the continuation of the bull move, you want to see the market either come down here, 1804.5 as the level of support, and maybe do a nice bounce, or travel down a little bit deeper, 1798.2, and then maybe get that nice support for a continuational move. So we'll see what happens. Underneath 98.2, next level 1794.6, and then below that 1790.2. Let's move over to a smaller chart, give you guys a closer view of what's going on. So you can see gold is trying to pull its way up. Again, I really rather see this market try to pull up to those 1815.9s and then see an opportunity to trade it for the downside for a nice short if we can't get through that level. If we just blow through it, next level of resistance again, want to see if the market can get into those 18.8s and then do a nice rejection off that level for a nice fade opportunity. If not, for the support for me again, right down into these 1808.7s, below that 1805.2, 1804.5 as the next level. So a couple opportunities that we could see the market try to find those supports below 1804.5, 1798.2 as the next level. So we'll look out for that. Let's go ahead and move over into crude oil. Give you guys some ideas of what we're looking at on crude oil. So crude oil, we did have a nice extension to the upside. We are traveling back down. You can see these descending peaks coming into our area of support right now. So want to see if this market holds the support here at 74.93, or just kind of goes right through that area, finds its support coming down 74.77, and maybe get a nice bounce from here for a continuational move up. So we could have a nice opportunity there, but right now looking to see if we stall a little bit earlier, 74.93. If not, we'll look for this to stall right at 74.77. Below that, next levels could be 74.45, and then below that 74.08 and 73.84, as those areas could act as some decent support for a continuational move to the upside. But right now, we're going to let this come down a little bit. Don't have the opportunity for the short, as it's already kind of moved away from our level of resistance. So our support opportunities are going to be our next idea of trade as the market gets down to that level. Let's move over into a smaller chart on crude oil, give you guys an idea of what's going on here. So as we move over, you can see market slowly trying to grind right down into these 74.93s. Now, if we get to that level and we hold it, if we extend right here and we hold this, this is going to be a good opportunity for the market to bounce and then try to continue its move back to the upside. If not, again, we're looking for this market to come down here or a little bit lower into these 74.45s as the support area for a continuational move up. Resistance right now sitting for me all the way up at 75.60, and then above that 75.92 as the next level of resistance. I do think we may end up getting an extension into those areas, so we do want to see if we stall out here earlier. If we do, again, that's going to be a decent opportunity for an extension back to the upside. So we'll look out for that. Below those 74.08, 73.84 as the next level of support, and below that 73.25. But that wraps it up here for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Again, if you guys like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. If you guys are struggling to find consistency in trading, if you want to learn how to find success in understanding how to read market structure and price action, feel free to pop into Pure Structure Trading, become a member with us, take some coaching sessions, maybe a coaching program with us. Let us help you find consistency and success in trading. But other than that, guys, if you guys continue to trade tonight, make sure you guys trade well. You guys take care. Have a great night. Bye.